making it Uber?
I'm agree with that, but if anything change, I'm agree to get more because I have this kid and he cheated on me.
Enjoy the video. Hit the like button.
To give in this cause will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Mr. Dane? Dane?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and Miss Legge?
Yes, ma'am.
You may both lower your hands. And Miss Sweet, you may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. We do have a partially agreed order in suit establishing the parent-child relationship, in suit for modification, and order confirming support obligation. It is the support terms that are contested. If I may read the agreed terms and then take testimony.
1 second.
Yes, Your Honor.
You may.
Thank you, Your Honor. There are 5 children before the court. And I apologize for the pronunciation. For the children, they will be joint managing conservators. And that Ms. Legge will have the exclusive right to determine the children's residence within Dallas or any surrounding county. And Mr. Boldang will have the children based on a standard possession schedule. Parents also agreed that Ms. Legge will apply for and maintain government medical assistance for the children, and any additional healthcare expenses will be covered by the parents 50-50. That is the extent of the agreed terms. If I may call Ms. Legge.
You may.
Ma'am, what is your full name?
Malu Legge?
And did you hear the terms I read to the court?
Yes.
Do you understand those terms?
Yes.
Are you in agreement with those terms and believe in the best interest of your children?
Yes.
Have you ever been married?
Legally married.
You have been?
Yes.
To who?
Year Boldang.
And when were y'all legally married and where?
In Texas. Back then, before after I have my first baby.
In what county?
Dallas, Texas.
Hang on 1 minute. Did you have the any marriage certificate? Did you provide that to our office?
We don't have a marriage certificate, but we always has legal documents. We stay together, and people ask him. He say he's married to me. I'm his wife, and we have 5 kids together.
Okay. So there's no marriage license. Is that correct?
No.
Okay. And who is your youngest child's father?
Year Boldang.
And do you understand that this order will establish that Mr. Yerbaldang is the biological and legal father of your youngest?
Yes.
And did you and Mr. Yerbaldang stop living together at the end of October 2024?
Yes.
Since then, had he given you $150 every other week through Zelle?
Not every other weeks in Blue Moon.
How many times would you say that he provided you $150 since October of 2024?
2 times.
One more. I'm sorry. Can you repeat that?
2 times.
Okay. And did he make any payments for any of your bills in May of 2025?
No.
Okay. Did he pay your light bill in March of 2025?
The kids call him and he paid that light bill.
Do you recall the amount?
I'm not quite sure.
In April of 2025, did he pay around $300 to fix the air conditioning in your home?
Yes, the kids call him to come and fix the air condition.
And then he is supposed to pay the mortgage on the home you currently live in. Is that correct?
Yes.
When is the last time that he paid that mortgage? Do you know?
Around February or April.
Of this year?
Yes.
And so, do you
And some
understand that for the bills he's paid, he'd be entitled to a credit towards any retroactive or back child support for your two youngest?
I
The
really
credit would
don't.
be $1,140 for the bills and the money he sent you.
I really don't know because we don't have communication. There's no communication between us.
Do you understand that based on your testimony, the state is proposing a judgment on child support arrears for that back child support in the amount of $2,064?
Yes.
Are you in agreement with that judgment?
Yes.
Would you be in agreement to Mr. Boldang paying that back at $60 a month?
Yes.
And do you understand that there's no medical or dental support judgments?
Yes.
And we're also modifying that prior order signed in 2019 for your three youngest children. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Do you understand that the state is proposing that Mr. Boldang pay cash medical support of $129 a month beginning November 1st?
Yes.
Are you in agreement with that?
Yes, ma'am.
And where does Mr. Boldang work?
All clear. Excuse me?
Where does he work?
He say he's driving Buba, but before that he was self-employed. He make 6 figure.
And where was he working when he made six figures?
Golden Hat Tax Services. He owned of that company.
Does he have a CPA license to do taxes?
He just a tax pro. He's tax pro with the license.
And the location of that tax service, was that in Texas?
Yes, in Texas, Dallas, Texas. The headquarters in Dallas, Texas, and he have 4 other offices in Nebraska, Arizona, and
And
Lubbock.
when did he lose that business or stop working there?
He lose it 2 years ago. I don't know if he lose it or if he's still having it. I really don't have no idea because we don't have communication.
And so when y'all still lived together, you don't know what he was doing last year before October when y'all separated?
Yes.
Was he still working as a tax preparer?
I don't have no idea. He's
Okay.
just not elaborate at all.
Okay. So while y'all lived together, you didn't have any communication though?
No. And that's the reason brought me to let him get out of the house because I don't have communication with him at all.
And apologies if I already asked this, but do you know why he lost that business?
He lost the business due to there was a policy on the office said one of the family member don't have to operate the company, and the company has a policy. I should get 25% out of the company every year, and I called the colleagues with him and I tell them I don't get 25% of that money. I don't know what's going on. And they like, we gave him the money to take care of me and the kids while I'm sick. I say, I did not receive that. And that's what has brought conflict between me and him and the business.
So regarding support, are you in agreement to basing that on what he's currently making at Uber?
I'm agree with that, but if anything change, I'm agree to get more because I have this kid and he cheated on me and I take care of the kids. So he come in Blue Moon to take the kids somewhere for 2 hours and bring them back. And he come for Blue Moon, just send us money from nowhere without my concern or without asking me if I need this money or not. And I tell him he have to stop giving money for no reason, because I don't know why he's giving me this money for. Because he said he's not responsible on me he's not responsible on
Objection
me
narrative.
for good.
Okay, Ms. Leggett, can you just answer the questions that Ms. Sweet asked you? Okay, thank you. Go ahead, Ms. Sweet.
Thank you, Your Honor. So Ms. Legge, do you understand that based on the income for Mr. Balding that I've calculated from Uber, that his child support would be $543 per month?
Yes.
Are you in agreement to child support being set to that amount?
Yes.
And that is with credit for 2 other children. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And do you
Ms. Sweet,
understand?
that was 543?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you.
And Ms. Legge, do you understand that Mr. Balding will be billed for court costs by the District Clerk of Dallas County?
Yes.
And do you have any safety concerns with Mr. Balding having your address or phone number?
No.
Your Honor, I pass the witness that would like to call Mr. Balding.
You may.
Sir, what is your full name?
Oh, you're Balding?
And did you hear the terms I previously read to the court regarding the source of health insurance, conservatorship, and possession and access?
Yes.
Did you understand those terms?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you in agreement with those terms and believe they're in the best interest of your children?
I'm sorry?
Were you in agreement with those terms and believe they're in the best interest of your children?
To support the children, yes.
And are you currently employed with Uber?
Yes, ma'am.
And you make around $2,000? Is that what you're bringing home?
It's not a stable job. Like I can bring 1,500, I can bring 2,000. It's not quite like max that I know what I brought every time. Because sometimes it could be slow down, sometimes it could be busy when the game on.
Mr. Dang, on average, do you make about $2,000?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, go ahead, Ms. Sweet.
Thank you, Honor. And you have 2 other biological children, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And those children are younger than any of your children with Ms. Legge, is that correct?
Yes.
And since your separation from Ms. Legge at the end of October of 2024, how much money had you been providing her every other week?
As seeing I get out on October the 31st, 2024, I give her 150 through the every other week.
And was that from December of 2024 to April of 2025?
On April, yes, the last time I give her was May. No, it was the last Zayla gave it to her, it was April 24, 2025.
Okay. And what bill did you pay of Ms. Legge's in May of 2025?
The May 2025, here's the TXU bill for 540. The light was cut off from the house.
Okay, and was that in March of 2025 or May?
That in May 2025.
Did you pay any bills in March of 2025?
Yes, yeah, that's what I paid the TXU. And then the April the 26th, 2025, the air conditioner was out in the house. I paid $300 to fix the air conditioner.
Were those the only 2 bills?
And then the same time, the house bill, the last payment was May the 1st. I paid $2,322.3.
Can you repeat that number one more time?
Ms. Anderson, are you able to hear Mr. Dang? Because I'm having a hard time hearing him.
He is a little like muffled, but I can.
Okay. Mr. Dang, see if you can speak a little clearer. It sounds like you're in a vacuum. If you can get closer to the mic. You may.
Right.
Okay, thank you, sir. Go ahead, Ms. Sweet.
Can you repeat that $2,000 figure one more time, Mr. Dang?
$2,322 paid the house.
And that was in May?
That was in May the 1st.
Okay. And is that for the mortgage on the house Ms. Legge is currently residing in?
That's a mortgage for the rent that I've been paying since we moved there 2018. She never paid that.
So is it a mortgage or is it a rent? Who owns the home?
Now the mortgage.
It's the mortgage. You own the home. Is that correct?
Yes.
And that is the last time that you paid the mortgage, correct?
That's the last time I paid the mortgage, and I tell her because my car, the transmission is messed up. I tell her they try to pay the house together. She refused not to make a payment. I say, okay, can I stay with the kids so they can live in their house? She refused.
Objection, Your Honor. Narrative.
House.
Objection sustained. Mr. Dane, just answer the question that Ms. Sweet asked you, please.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, Ms. Sweet.
Did you pay the mortgage November of 2024?
November 2024.
November of 2024, yes. Did you pay the mortgage that month?
Yes, I was the one who paid the house.
Did you pay it December of 2024?
December, I didn't pay it.
You did not?
I put it to the loss mitigation.
Okay. And did you pay the mortgage January of 2025?
Hold on. He put it to the what?
I applied the loss mitigation because I don't have a job. I lost a job, so I called the mortgage company and to put me on the program until I get a job.
So in 2025, how many times did you pay the mortgage?
In 2025, I paid only twice.
But you also paid November of 2024, is that correct?
And May, yes.
So since y'all separated, you paid the mortgage 3 times, is that correct?
I paid, since we separated October, I paid twice. 2 times.
2 times since October of 2024.
And it never been paid until right now.
So is your stance on the retroactive or back child support that it should be 0 since you paid the mortgage and other bills?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that credit for paying the mortgage twice in separation, as well as the light bill and the AC bill, as well as $150 every 2 weeks, that would wipe out any proposed judgment from that I've calculated?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And regarding support moving forward, do you understand that the state is asking that you pay cash medical support of $129 a month beginning November 1st?
Yes.
Are you in agreement or disagreement with that amount?
I was paying more than this anyway, but I agree with that. I'll take care of them.
And
Yes.
regarding support, child supports, do you understand that I've calculated that at $543 per month?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you in agreement or disagreement with child support being set to that amount?
I agree.
And do you understand that when each of your children turns 18 or graduates, whichever occurs later, that those amounts do step down as there are fewer minor children before the court?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also understand that you'll be billed for court costs by the District Clerk of Dallas County?
Yes.
Your Honor, I passed the witness. I would like to recall Ms. Legge regarding the mortgage. Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Legge, did you hear Mr. Bolda's testimony regarding the mortgage?
Yes.
And that he'd paid twice since y'all separated in October?
He'd been paying the mortgage for the rest of my life. And I've been taking care of the kids and him and everything for the rest of my life.
Do you understand that if the court does give him credit for paying that mortgage, that his back child support would be $0?
We both paid the mortgage. There's a time I was sick with breast cancer, and I was sick with breast cancer. I have to ask for assistance from the churches to pay the mortgage, and they did pay the mortgage for me that time, and he was not available with me at that time.
When was that?
That was a beginning of 2024.
So,
Okay,
but
but hold on, Ms. Sweet. Since October of 2024, that's what we're talking about, October of 2024. Has he paid the mortgage at all?
I really don't know, ma'am, because he's the one handled the mortgage.
Okay, go ahead, Ms. Sweet.
and do you also understand that for current support, that when any of your children turn 18 or graduate high school, that the child support amount is going to step down or be reduced?
Yes, I don't mind that.
Your Honor, I pass the witness and would request. Actually, I would like to recall Mr. Boldang.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Boldang, do you have a CPA license?
No, no, ma'am.
Did you own a tax preparation business?
Yes, I was doing the tax preparation business, yes.
Was that here in Texas?
Here in Dallas, yes.
And but you don't personally prepare the taxes?
Not anymore, I lost the job.
Okay. Did you also lose your license or ability to prepare taxes?
Yes, when I lost the job, I never do the tax in 2024.
But do you still have the license or the ability, like if you wanted to go out and get a job tomorrow preparing taxes?
Yes, I do.
And before you lost your job doing taxes, how long had you had that job?
I've been doing it since 2018.
And why, excuse me, what month and year did you lose your job?
April 2024.
What happened in April 2024 that caused you to lose your job?
The partner I was with, they have a policy say that all of us, none of our family members cannot operate in the business for the tax. So she did open the business, and I tell her tomorrow later she opened the business for tax, and I tell her, you cannot do that. I'm going to lose the job for 2023. So I got fined from there. They charged me $3,000. I paid them back to the company. And then she go back again 2024, she opened it. So they fired me from the job. And she's still maintaining her job.
And what is the reason that you have not sought employment as a tax preparer anywhere else?
Because I don't have any money to open the office or buy a computer or anything, because I lost the job. That's the only job I was stable with.
But could you say go get a job at a tax preparer like H&R Block or something like that?
It depends. If they hire me, I can work there, but I don't think I will do that job anymore because there's a lot of problems going on.
So you are requesting that your support today be based on the average $2,000 a month you bring home from Uber. Is that correct?
Yes.
Your Honor, I pass the witness and request a ruling as to the retroactive child support.
And I will accept the agreement of the parties, make the agreed portions the order of the court. I will order retroactive child support judgment at $0 a month. Court costs as billed, and all start dates will be November 1st, 2025. Does anyone have any questions?
Yes, Your Honor.
What's your question, sir?
My question is, seeing I left the house never been paid. We owe $17,000 right now for the house for 6
Sir,
months.
that's not before me. I can't make any decisions on your house or your house. No, none of that is before me.
Okay.
Only thing before me is a pleading about the children, where they're going to live, who's going to pay child support for them and who's going to pay for their medical support. That is it. There's nothing else before me. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Any other questions?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I actually tell her earlier, like, I don't have no time. I always go every week to see them, to take them out, but to stay with them, I cannot do that.
Mr. Dang,
Yes.
I ask you to ask me a question, not make a statement. What is your question?
My question is, I'm taking care of other bill. Do I have to pay other bill apart from the child support?
Do you
Because
have to pay
I'm paying
anything
the
other
bill.
than the child support? You've been ordered to pay the child support.
Okay.
Now, do you have a moral obligation to take care of your children? Yes, but you are only ordered to pay the child support. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, sir? All right. If there are no further questions, now that I've made my ruling, you have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. What court is this out of, Miss Sweet?
This is out of the 301st.
This is out of the 301st District Court. That's Judge Mary Brown. She might have a different opinion of mine. So now that I've given you that information, does anyone have any questions?
When is the child support going to start?
It starts on November 1st.
Okay.
Okay, there are no other questions. Thank you for appearing here today, and you're both free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.